Hey son, how are ya? I miss you. How was school today? You stay in the coconut tree? Yeah, you stayed under the coconut tree. Alright, well, I wanted to tell you that I love you so much and I miss you so much. I want you to be a good boy and be a big boy, okay? Take care of your mama and take care of your sister. Alright? And we're going to continue to grow as a family, and before you know it, you'll be big and strong like your daddy. That is, if you eat all your food. You got to eat your food, man. Alright? I love you, man. Have a good day. Stay under the coconut tree. Be a big boy. Alright? And I love you. To infinity and beyond, 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 beyond. Bye-bye.